Hello, listen up. I'm going to make a funny video, and it's going to be on my YouTube channel. And I'm going to make it for my sister Amy, works at the daycare. And I'm going to make it from hold on. I'm going to make it for my friends that I know from the daycare that works with my sister Amy. Hold on. And I'm going to make it for my friends. Excuse me. I'm going to make it for my friends Caitlin Keene, Anna, April, Monty Lawrence, Carol, and Teresa. Excuse me. Sorry about that. Hold on. Excuse me. And the name of the video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the I'm going to pretend that I'm going to be doing the sneeze. Yeah, the can't stop sneezing. Yeah, like what I learned from the YouTube. Yep. And that's going to be really funny. Yeah, I was watching this YouTube, and I was watching this girl. Yeah, and this girl, she couldn't stop sneezing. Yep, and she was going like this, like that. And then after that, just 1 minute though, she starts sneezing again, like that. That was, yeah, that's going to be really funny. And that's what I'm going to do is I'm going to make that funny video and put it on my YouTube channel of me doing the can't stop sneezing video. Yep. And it's going to be funny. And it's going to be really funny. Yep. The name of the video is Can't Stop Sneezing. Yep, video. Yep, and it's going to be really funny. It's just going to be pretend, not for real, just pretend. Yeah, like I'm sneezing. It's just pretend, not for real, just pretend. Yep, and it's going to be really funny. Watch this. It's going to be really funny. Watch this. Ow! I hit my head on the desk. Oh my gosh, when I was pretending I was sneezing and I couldn't stop sneezing, yeah, and then I hit my head on the desk, yeah. And this is my friend April, that I saw her the other day. It was Wednesday when I saw my friend April at the daycare at the FBC, where my friend April works at the daycare at the FBC in Creedmoor. Yep, that was the other day. This is my friend April when she taught me that laughing. Excuse me. And this is my friend April that I know from the daycare, works at the FBC. Excuse me, in Creedmoor. Yep, this is my friend April when she taught me that laughing. Hold on. Sorry about that. This is my friend April when she taught me this laughing. My friend April works at the daycare at the FBC in Creedmoor. This is my friend April laugh. Yep. That's the sneeze. Yep. Ow. Hold on. Ow! I keep hitting my head on the desk when I'm when I can't stop sneezing. I keep hitting my head on the desk. I keep hitting my head on the desk. Yep, that's really funny. Hold on. Well, that's my funny video on my YouTube channel, and I hope you enjoyed watching my funny video on my YouTube channel. And the name of the video is Can't Stop Sneezing video. Yep. Hold on. That's the sneeze. Yep. Yep. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching my funny video on my YouTube channel of me doing the sneeze, can't stop sneezing video. Okay, that's the name of the video. Can't stop sneezing. Okay, I got to go. Take care. Peace out. Bye bye. Remember, enjoy watching my funny video on my YouTube channel of me doing the can't stop sneezing video, and it's really funny. Yep, I got to go. Take care. Peace out. Bye bye. Excuse me. That was the sneeze. It's just pretend, not for real. Not for real, just pretend. Yeah, that was the sneeze. Yep. I got fog on my glasses. Jeez. Hold on. Think I got it. Yep. I got to go. Bye bye.